Good morning, guys. How are you today? Jamal Hassler from Bermuda. Let's talk about what is required, the basics that are required when you have a blog. You have to understand that your blog is your information site. It's a site where people come to gather information, certain information. They become accustomed to you after a while. So what I'm saying, like when you very first get a blog, you should decide what niche you're going to tap into. What do you have a passion for, what you are passionate about, and what you love doing. And once you find out what you're passionate about and what you love doing, stick to that niche. Because what happens is, once you start writing, say your niche is sewing. Once you start writing about sewing machines and how to sew, how long it takes you to knit, and what's the best fabric you use, teaching people how to use multi-fabrics, and these are just examples. Or if your niche is tires, you're teaching people about different tires, Dunlop, Pirelli, all different tires that are available. Teaching people about, giving them the sizes of inner tubes, what tire plugs you put in tires, anything based around tires. But it's like, I'm drawing examples, just like having a blog. If your blogging topic is certain and you're built up the report and that's what you're writing about every day, stick with that topic, because people, that's what you got specific readers that come to your site to learn about that and gather information about that. So you don't want to switch up and go to animals, speaking about wildlife, because people can leave your site. And that's what I'm saying about a blog. Once you have a topic and a niche that you're passionate about, and you enjoy doing, stick with that niche. Don't change, right? Because what's can happen once you start writing about that niche over and over consistently, and the content has to be valuable. It has to be valuable content. You have to be providing value. You have to be solving solutions with your content. So what I'm saying is that you don't want people coming to your site, your blog, if your blog's about sewing and you're switched up to wildlife, all of a sudden you're going to lose readers and subscribers. So stick with that niche topic, sewing, right? You want to build up, because you built up that rapport with that, okay? So it's about sticking with your niche. Don't get distracted, giving the readers what they come for, okay? Have a nice day.